Around 2.3 billion people globally lack access to modern and sustainable cooking equipment. 900 million of these people live in sub-Saharan Africa. This is a global challenge causing health problems from indoor air pollutions, deforestation, and greenhouse gas emissions. The Modern Cooking Facility for Africa increases access to clean cooking solutions in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Our goal is to enable access to higher-tier cooking solutions for up to 4 million people by the end of 2027.
The Modern Cooking Facility for Africa is a program focusing only on higher-tier cooking solutions. The program supports a broad range of cooking technologies as the facility manager, Nefco, the Nordic Green Bank, strives for impact. The Modern Cooking Facility for Africa uses results-based financing to incentivize companies to scale up their clean cooking solutions. This way, they are committed to reach agreed milestones and make a real impact in the local communities.
The Modern Cooking Facility for Africa increases access to affordable and clean energy. The program also supports gender equality and new employment opportunities in the project countries.
The Modern Cooking Facility for Africa is a co-created program between Sweden and Nefco. It supports companies to scale up and reach underserved populations. We envision that our support will catalyze market development of a similar scale that's been seen in the off-grid electricity sector in the last decade. We're excited about the program and are looking forward to seeing the impacts on the ground.
Visit moderncooking.africa and learn more about our program and the impact of clean cooking solutions. moderncooking.africa